Hey guys, welcome back to another Flutter tutorial. In this video, we will see how to implement machine learning concept into our Flutter application. And as an example, we will take a look into the text recognition in this particular video. Let's take a look at the demo of application, how it works, and then we will see how to implement that. Okay, so we have our application in my device, and by pressing of this camera button, I will be able to capture an image by using camera, and here I will capture the book. We have all the text and I will click OK, and here it will show my image, and by pressing of this scan button it will scan for all the text available in the image and convert or extract the texts from the image, and here we go, we have them into my detail page. We can select a part of the text from here by copy, as well as by pressing this button into my app bar. I can copy all the text into my clipboard and go ahead paste it somewhere else. So this is what we are going to implement in this video. Be sure to follow the video till the end so you won't miss any part. And also I will leave the source code for this project in the description. You can get that at any time and you can save that by storing the project. Also, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel so you won't miss such amazing videos in the future. And if you have any problem, just comment down in this video. I will respond as soon as possible. And without talking too much, let's get started with the video and see how we can implement this one. So first you have to go ahead and configure Firebase with your Flutter project. I will not show that in this video. After doing that, you have to come to the build.gradle of app level. Down below you have to add these 3 lines into your project. I will link them in the description so you can get the latest version of them. After doing that, you have to come to Android manifest, and inside the application tag you have to add this metadata tag. The value should be OCR since we are using text recognition. After adding this, you have to go to the PubSpec YAML and add these 3 packages that we will be using in this video. Now we are ready to start with our UI. So as a first step, I will declare the variables that I require. Inside the scaffold, I will have an app bar. Inside the action of this one, I will add a flat button. And on press of this button, I will scan the text. I will create this function down below here. Next, I will have a floating action button to choose image from gallery or capture the image from the camera. Again, I will have a function for this get image. So inside the body, I will have a simple container which shows the image that we have captured. Here I will check if image not equals to null. Also, I have to import the IO library in here. So this is all that we require for our UI. Now it comes to implement these 2 functions and our application or our project of text recognition is done. So let's go ahead and first start with our getting image from camera or gallery. Here first I will define a variable of picked file. After having the image, I have to set state, and then I will check if the picked file not equals to null. Otherwise I will. So this is all for our getting image. Now it comes to scanning the image. So as you have seen in the demo, by pressing of this scan button, first it was showing a circular progress bar, and then after the scanning is actually finished, we were popping that progress bar, and then we were navigating into another page which is called detail page, and from there we will show the scanned text from image into the actual text. And here we will also do the same. First we have to show the dialog, show, and here by pressing of this scan button this function will be called, and immediately while calling this function it will show the show dialog, which is nothing but circular progress bar, and it will show that until we convert the image into text. Now we go and declare final Firebase vision image. Now that we have all the text from our image inside this variable, we can go ahead and create a loop. So this loop is basically just looping through the text which is available inside our image and appending that text into the text variable that we have up here. Okay, once the process of getting the text from image is done, we have to first pop this dialog bar, and then we have to navigate into our details page. I will create this details file in here, and inside here I will have a text variable. We are going to use this clipboard package to copy the text into our clipboard. So now comes to the copying of the text into our clipboard. I have to go ahead and Flutter. Once this one is finished, I want to show a snack bar. So for that I will create a global key. And I will attach that key into our scaffold. Now let's go to our main and import this. Okay, so our application is complete. Let's go ahead and run our application into emulator device. Alright guys, so our application is running inside the device. By pressing this floating action button, it should pop the images into my gallery. And here I have downloaded an image which contains some text inside it. Okay, I will select that image, and then by pressing this scan button, it will show us the loading screen. And after it has loaded and converted the image into text, it will get us into another page, which is details page. And in here, as you can see, we can select our image and copy a part of it. Also by pressing this copy, if we just unselect this, by pressing of this copy icon up here, it will copy that into the clipboard and also show us a snack bar, which means that our text is copied. And if we test that, we can go and paste our text in here. So that is it guys, thank you for watching. So that is it guys, this is how we can implement the text recognition into our Flutter application. Thank you for watching. If you have any other video suggestions like this or any kind of videos from Flutter, then don't hesitate to comment down in the comment box below. So this is how we can implement the text recognition into our Flutter application. Once again, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like. And also, if you have any suggestion about any kind of Flutter application or projects, just comment down below. I will make a video on that, and I will see you in the next video.